but I don't know.
It's on the turn from town to venue. We've got the carpool in the left lane at blocked until they're saying at least 5 o'clock. I got a tip call saying
Emergency alert system. This is Sheriff Alex. Speaking to you from the Los Angeles County Emergency Operations Center, where we manage the response to major emergencies. Many broadcasters have agreed to deliver emergency information that will help you understand what has happened during emergencies and what you need to do. When you hear a real emergency alert system warning or alert, you should immediately tune to one of those radio or TV stations. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
Orange County looks good.
No delay. I don't know who's going to be like, who's going to move them off the plan. Let's get ready.
From the 15 all the way inbound. The way to Park. Right next to 435 is more traffic towards more often. I'm going to figure Toyota's
And right now in Stillmar, 66 degrees, and by the park, 63 at 427.
Attention, Southern California business owners. Randy Tribune here. Your insurance company may have written your policy, but they do not decipher law. Insurance companies are denying business interruption claims during the current coronavirus government shutdown, and LA business owners have no coverage because
this is Sheriff Alex Villanueva. I am speaking to you from the Los Angeles County Emergency Operations Center, where we manage the response to major
have already been denied, or if you were told not to bother making a claim at all, don't give up. Brad Wallace is the attorney to the Wallace firm for stepping up to fight for businesses in our community and handling these denied business interruption cases on a contingency basis. So if there's no recovery, there's no test of emergency alert advance at all costs. Review your policy to see if you have a valid claim and fight to get you paid. Call 844-844-WINS for a free consultation and review of your policy to see if you're eligible for compensation for lost revenue. That's 844-844-WINS or visit WallaceWins.com.
Guys, by now, you've heard the great news. If you wanted to try Viagra or Cialis, but were worried about the price, U.S. Pharmacy can finally give you the results you've been looking for. Why pay almost $15 per pill when you get the same results you need for less than $2? That's right. Call today and receive 66 blue pills or 66 yellow pills for only $99 plus shipping. That's less than $2 per pill and saves you hundreds from your local pharmacy. Why wait? Call 844-245-2994 today and finally have those moments you've been looking for. Again and again. Call 844-245-2994 right now and we'll rush your order. It's will be packaged to your door. Just call 844-245-2994. That's 844-245-2994. Call 844-245-2994.
Tom Brown here. Today I'm offering 2.875% 30-year fixed VA home loans. You heard me. 2.875% 30-year fixed VA home loans. Don't wait. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to lock in the lowest rate in history. Buying a home, ask about our Smart Buyer program, and keep thousands of dollars in your pocket. Call 844-949-5600. Lock in the lowest rate of our lifetime. Call me, Tom Brown, 844-949-5600, because I don't just serve veterans, I am one. Call 949-5600, 844-949-5600, or Google the Tom Brown Group at Omnicom.
Tom Brown Group at Omnicom. Omnicom NMLS 4869. DRE license 0143-0833. Tom Brown's NMLS 366860. DRE 017899756. Borrowers must qualify. Minimum amount $350,000. 2.875 rate. APR 3.125%. APR shown 780. Credit score loan value below 80% and 10% VA disability.
It's 429 at KNX 1070.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is Sheriff Alex Villanueva. I am speaking to you from the Los Angeles County Emergency Operations Center, where we manage the response to major emergencies. Many broadcasters have agreed to deliver emergency information that will help you understand what has happened during emergencies and what you need to do. When you hear a real emergency alert system warning or alert, you should immediately tune to one of those radio or TV stations. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
Let's go catch KCET. I have no clue if they relate already. Did they already relay the test while I was catching the AM/FM stations? Because I tried both stations. Nope.
My name is Carlos Franco. My middle name is Isaiah.
I honestly have no clue if KCET already relayed.
Isaiah. I've been here since basically I was born. It's always been the same thing. Like, well, I've been like kind of sort of like.
Well, guys, I have no clue if KCET already relayed while I was trying to catch the AM stations. Oh well. Well, might as well end the video here. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye now.